Okay, so here's where we get with this project. So I've got loads of these because I found a bunch of sort of old knackered ones on eBay, which is quite helpful because then you can experiment. I tried removing the logos by prising them out with a thin piece of metal. The problem is that creates kind of marks around the edges. And then once I got one removed, I realized that in the middle there is a dimple. So what I think is the better method will be to use, like, I've got a knackered screwdriver here that's got a pointy bit on it, and I think we can just get these off by putting a hole in there and then levering up, and these should actually come off quite nicely. They're not stuck on mega hard, but so for example, once you've got it underneath, you can sort of pull that up, and then they are stuck on with some sort of glue stuff, and pull them off. So it's not too difficult once you've got the technique worked out. So stick something in the middle where the dimple is, and then you get underneath the logo, and then just once you've got a bit of leeway, they start to prise off. There you go, and you've got, so there's a couple. So I found some nice ones that have got the no scratches or nasty marks on them. I'm going to use a sharp blade just to take off like the old sticky stuff that was on here holding them on before. So I just clean those up. It's not usually that difficult, it's like a thin layer. Then I'm just going to use some alcohol just to rub over and clean up the area. So all you really need is a flat surface, you know, to put the new logos onto, and somewhere to put the sticky stuff. So I mean, it's a bit pointless probably cleaning out in the manky groove, but you know, just get them so that they're clean enough. Brush them out probably with a toothbrush so there's no sort of debris, nothing nasty hiding in the groove. Right, and then you're kind of ready to put your new logos on. Now I'm going to test these. I don't know about the green ones. I'm not so sure. I like the black ones and silver, green and silver. So they both look good, but it's just working out which ones look better at a distance. Obviously these aren't genuine, so they're not going to be exactly the same as what's on there, but I think from a distance we'll kind of get something that looks quite nice. Turn them around the actual right way so you can see them. So, and I think the proof will be once we've kind of stuck them down and see what they look like on the car. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to stick them down, find some sort of tough glue, stick them down, and then we're going to have a little test of them side by side on the vehicle with the old ones versus the new ones. Okay, so we'll start the old broken one. So that's one of the old ones, and that's the other one of the old ones. That's a green one. Now I don't think they work so well, because the idea is that when you come out and look at them, they should be sort of, you should see the Land Rover. And then we've got a black one here. So I think they look pretty good from a distance, and I think what we'll do is we'll put the silver and black ones on, and we will see what everyone thinks in the comments and let me know, and I'll see if I can try and print some better green ones, maybe with a gold filament. So watch this space.